Hello everyone. Do you have a video to which you would like to add your audio recording? Whether it's a song you have on your phone or another melody or speech, the way to insert your audio from local storage into your video is the same. I will show you how today. I have already opened the CapCut application. I opened a new project and added a video. I believe you know how to do that, so I didn't show you. When you open the video, at the beginning of the timeline you will see a bar below the video that says Add Audio. Click on that bar. Then click on Sound icon here. Here, you typically select available music from the internet. For local audio, click on this icon here. Choose Device. Below, all audio recordings stored in your phone's memory will be displayed. Select the audio recording you want to add to the video by clicking the plus button. As you can see, the audio has been added to the timeline. I had to mute the sound while recording. By clicking on the audio on the timeline, you can adjust the properties of that audio recording. For example, to decrease or increase the volume, click on Volume. On the slider, increase or decrease the sound level. Try other options like fade in and fade out audio and other effects that CapCut offers. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.